I'm the Deputy IT Director for the City of Topeka. And besides the technology, we also work very closely with our business units. The data, the role, the landscape is actually very broad, and it was unknown to us. When we're looking at data sets and information in it, we ask questions of how clean is it? Where is it coming from? What's the refresh date? And that in itself forced us into a lot of process changes because we found out very early on that it's not consistent, and we want to be comfortable with the information that we make public. The initial pilot was very eye-opening. It was quite an experience because we created the pilot with the Socrata team, and we took our existing budget that was already approved and then basically sliced and diced and put it in a different format. And the first person to see it was our, at that time, city manager. And his statement was like, wow, I have never seen anything like this. So he was excited. It was interesting to see because the budget is 200 pages, it's funds nobody understands, and all of a sudden put it into something that is service-oriented. How much money are you spending on infrastructure? And because it was easy to upload the information and it was very visually appealing, that it made us decide to actually go further and started adding agile modules, what have been very well received. Looking at the data itself, if it's work orders or if it's financial data, it really forced us into taking a hard look of how the data is derived. And a good example is our project portal. What we're finding out is that the information on the portal and in other reports, they don't match. Making this information public forced us into coming up with a single data storage for all of the capital improvement projects.